Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to use your Lumion and Revit in LiveSync. I'm a Ben Zarasfo, an architect, interior designer, and 3D artist. So let's get started. But before that, I really encourage you to like this video since it motivates me to make more videos like this. So we'll open a file called 101. So on the top bar of your Revit tab, you will see a Lumion. So you might not see this actually. So we'll go to a browser, we'll open the browser and we'll search for Revit Lumion LiveSync. So it's free to download, but it requires an Autodesk account. I'll show you how to open an Autodesk account in the future. Okay, there it is. Now I can actually download it. Okay, one final thing left. Okay, we have agreed the terms of use. So we'll download it. So let's open the folder. Let's open it. But before that, you have to close the Revit or Lumion if you have opened it. So I will not actually install it since I have already installed it, but you will open it and you will see the install now button. So if you click on that, it will automatically install it on your Revit and you'll get that Lumion option on your Revit. So you can actually start your LiveSync. So let's wait for the Lumion to get started. So the model is already brought in Lumion from Revit. Okay, so let's test out. Let's delete some of these elements from the Revit side and I will go to the Lumion side. And indeed, they are already deleted. So it actually works. You can do whatever changes you like. So let's save it. Now let's save it. But what trick which you should know is using the same file name with Revit 1. It will help you keep the LiveSync for the future times. So let's do some changes. Let's plant some trees. Okay, that's this one. And we'll do a paint placement. This is really good for mass placing. So this is just to demonstrate. You can do whatever changes you would like to have. Okay, let's also change the material of the wall. Let's make somehow white plaster. Okay, just like this. And also you can change the floor tiles. Okay, this is a simple demonstration. This is not a rendering tutorial. But if you would like to get some rendering tips and tricks, I've already made a video which will get it on the link down below or on the path. Okay, let's pick this shot. This looks actually good. So let's save it and exit. And we'll try to LiveSync it again. So let's quit this one. Also, let's save this model and let's quit it. Let's refresh it. So we'll open the Lumion and also we'll open the Revit. Here let's open 1.1. So this time we'll load the file. Okay, let's load this. Okay, there it is. So let's see our previous shot. Okay, now let's get back to Revit. So after you open your Lumion, you will go to Revit and then you will click Start LiveSyncing. So it will LiveSync with the already opened Lumion file. So this is a really great way to keep your Lumion and Revit LiveSync and to use it again and again. So let's test it. So I'm going to hide this tree I have on my Revit file. I'll hide it. HH is a shortcut to hide temporarily. But now when I get back to Lumion, as you can see, the tree is being gone. So let's replace with some trees from the Lumion. So let's place it from some trees from the Lumion. Okay, but let's use some flowers. Let's scale it up. It is a shortcut for scaling up things. Yeah, like this. So let's come back to this material and change it to a 3D grass. Yeah, that is good. Since it is just a demo, not a rendering tutorial, we will not dive deeply to make a great render. Okay, so let's save it. And like this, you can use again and again and keep your LiveSync in Lumion and also in Revit. It is it for this video. I hope you get something valuable and it will help me a lot if you like, subscribe and hit that bell so you will never miss out new videos. Share your thoughts in the comment section. It can be questions or video suggestions. I would love to hear from you.